going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's Vinci Media, and today we do have the GPR stabilizer install. This is what I'm going to be installing today. So the reason why I did get a GPR stabilizer is because this happened to me. So as you can see, that's what happened to me, and it did not go too well. So my wheel alignment and my bars are completely off, and did not look right. So it was in the shop for about a week, and I just got it back today, and it happened so that my GPR stabilizer also came in the same day. My bike's orange, and the only one they had left was the blue one. So matter of fact, if you did enjoy the last video of my last video on the R3, I'm gonna miss it. It's over there in the back. I don't know, you can see it, a little shade of blue over there. If you haven't watched that video, I'm gonna link it at the top. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button for more motorcycle content. As you can see, I got my R6 back, and Boo over there is a menace to society right now.
Always.
For a little cruise. As you see, I have the GPR stabilizer, which you're gonna see at the beginning of the video where I explain it. But yeah, this video is basically just a little test ride with the GPR stabilizer. We got these two other guys on some R6S's right here, clean. Making fun of me over here. The other guy looking at you is probably like, damn, this dude is retarded. I think this is like the only good day to ride. It feels so good. It's like 60s. These guys like to gun it a little bit, huh?
He said we like to do little pulls in the streets, but we don't cruise at 70 and a 40.
Yeah, okay, cool. It's free real estate. I know that was a big ass flame, bro.
Yeah, you have to do it all the way up there. Been a while since I did a little pull like that. Good. What's up, man?
What's up, man?
What's up, man? Oh, yeah, come on! Pussy don't want the fucking smoke! Pussy don't want the smoke. Goddamn, turn me down. Pussy don't want the smoke. Pussy don't want the smoke. You don't want it. Oh, it's a chick? Oh! Ah, she don't want the smoke. The viewer's gonna give you a kiss too.
scared the fuck out of me, bro.
I'm getting some pictures of my life, bro. Fuck this. That sunset is too goddamn beautiful for me to...
Oh God, bro.
What the fuck? Dude, and it's like, oh my god. Dude, shit. My brother. She's new phone?
No, I've been having the same one.
I move into my turn.
Hold on, hold on, hold on. One more.
Oh, fuck yeah. Oh, hell yeah, bro. Hell, hey, let's get all the bikes lined up right here just for that perfect